something that I do every year. I change out all of the dirt on my flower pots. All the ones on the inside of the house and then the ones I have on the porch. I change out the dirt because a lot of people don't know the old dirt that's been in there a while is depleted of all the nutrients. So you have to replace it. But the kids and I are going to do that right now. So you can see this plant is just kind of sad, and I water it like every other day. I wanted to show you this dirt that we took out of one of the old pots. You can see how dry and almost sandy that it is, as opposed to the new soil that we're putting in. You can see how rich and dark it is. Make sure when you pick out your soil that you get potting soil specifically for potted plants. To replace the soil, all you do is remove the plant from the pot, get as much of the old dirt out as you can. I usually just shake the roots and run my fingers through the roots to get rid of the old dirt. And then I put it back in the pot with some new soil and give it a good watering. As you saw earlier in the video, the old dirt is super loose and sandy, which makes it almost impossible for it to hold in any water that you put in the plant. So essentially what happens is you water the plant and the water just runs straight through. It doesn't hold it so that the roots can actually absorb it. I wanted to make sure and show you this plant in particular. This is another reason that I change out the dirt on my indoor plants. If you look right here, you can see that this plant has started to sprout 4 new plants. So all I'm going to do is pull each one of the new plants off, being careful to get some of the roots with it. I'm just going to replace the dirt on the existing plant. So now I'm just going to take the sprouts that I tore off of the older plant and I'm going to put it in a new pot, and now I have another potted plant.